Unveiling the marvelous mysteries of hummingbirds. Hummingbird, nature's tiny yet phenomenal feathered acrobat, a true spectacle of vibrant colors and ceaseless energy. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards, showcasing an astounding aerial precision unmatched in the avian world. Their hearts beat at a staggering 1,200 times per minute, a testament to their exceptional vitality and relentless pace. These birds have the largest brain-to-body ratio of all birds, making them surprisingly intelligent. Hummingbirds are also important pollinators. Their long beaks and tongues enable them to reach nectar while transferring pollen between flowers. Thanks for watching.